Hey guys, welcome back to a special episode of Cooking with the Reaper. By the way, happy belated Thanksgiving to all you folks out there. I'm coming at you. I got a special video tonight we're going to do on this Black Friday. I have received my one chip challenge from Paqui. So, you folks get to watch my pain. Let's check this out. Just got this in the mail the other day. Won it in a contest. It says, eat at your own risk. Not for the faint of heart. Not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat. Do not eat if you're sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, which that's the hot stuff in the pepper, or pregnant, or have any medical conditions. I think we're good. Keep out of reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap. Do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. So if you have to use the restroom, you might want to do that first. Seek medical assistance if you should experience, difficulty breathing, or if you can't handle the heat. Try drinking some milk or eating ice cream. Fear the Reaper. Consider yourself warned. How can I fear the Reaper? I am the Reaper. But, just in case the heat gets a little toasty, we're going to chase it down with a shot of Crystal Head vodka. Unopened. And only one. And I'm not promoting drinking, but it is the Paqui One Chip Challenge. So let's go ahead and open this up. That's the inside of the box, folks. It says, can you handle this deadly heat? Made with Carolina Reaper pepper. It also says, created for the sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain. That is some good vodka. Not bad. Well, folks, I'd like to thank you for being with me tonight on this special episode. Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And I will see you this weekend with a lasagna. Thanks, guys. Love you. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you tomorrow.